Hi, this is me again, Mr. Zamora, and I am here to explain. Well, we are going to go to the statistics section, okay, DD section, statistics, and we're going to start with the first activity: calculate mean, median, mode, and range. Okay, this is easier than it looks. We're going to calculate four things. Mean, well, in Spanish it is media, which means that we have to get the average of the numbers of the amounts that we get. The median, in Spanish it is mediana. To get the median, we need to order the numbers from lowest to highest or highest to lowest, and then we just need to order them, and the number that falls right in the middle is going to be the median. The mode, in Spanish it is the moda, okay? So how do we get the moda? The moda is something that it's repetitive, okay? So for example, if there is a song that we say está de moda, it means that we listen to it like again and again and again in a radio station, for example. So the song that repeats the most is the song that we say that está más de moda. All right, so the number that appears the most is going to be the mode. Okay, and range, it is the, okay, we need to find the lowest number, and we need to find the highest number, and the difference between those numbers is going to be the range. Okay, so I want you to write these definitions in your own words, so you understand what you need to get. But I want you to write them just as they appear. So we have this situation. Trody counted the number of letters in 8 text messages she received. She counted 7 letters, 5 letters, 7 letters, 4 letters, 4 letters, 6 letters, 5 letters, and 3 letters. All right. In this case, we are being asked about the range. All right, what is the range of the numbers of the letters? So what is the definition for range? The range, in my words, for example, is the difference between the lowest and the highest number. So I want you to pause the video and just write with your own words what you understand that the range is the difference between the highest and the lowest number. But I want you to pause it right after we solve this, so you can understand more what I am saying. So we need to find the lowest. We have 7, 5, 7, 4. So 4 is the lowest so far. We have another 4, 6, 5, and 3. Okay, so we found here the lowest number, which is 3. Now let's find the highest. We have 7, 5, 7, 4, 4, 6. So the highest is 7. Okay, so what is the difference between 7 and 3? We can just do a subtraction. 7 minus 3 equals 4. So the answer is 4 letters. 4 letters is the range. So pause the video and write a definition for range. Okay, so the answer is 4, and we just submit our answer. Okay, now we have another situation. Logan sold 5 books in online auctions. The winning bids were these numbers. Okay, what was the mode of the winning bids? The mode is the number that repeats the most. So in this case, we have 370, 650, 370 again, 670, and 490. So the only number that repeats twice, okay, is 370. Okay, 370 and 370. This is the only number that is repeated. So this is going to be our mode. Okay, so the mode is the number that repeats the most times. Okay, so pause the video and write your own definition for mode. Okay, so our answer is 3.70 or $3.70. All right, so we write our answer. Okay, we have another situation. Audrey went around the neighborhood collecting spare change for charity. The 9 families gave this amount of money. What was the median? Okay, median. Okay, to get the median, sorry, this coronavirus is killing me. No, just kidding. Okay, so to get the median, we need to order these amounts into, just from higher to lowest or from lowest to highest. And the number that falls right in the middle is going to be our median. Okay, so let me just copy the page, get a new paint file. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I am going to try to find the lowest. So 860, 670, 640. 640 is my lowest, right? 640. Okay, so I am not going to repeat this. So 670, 670, 670, and I have 3 670s. I am going to separate it with commas. 670. I have 3 670s. This is a dot, okay, or a point. Comma 670. Comma, so this one is already written, and this one. So do I have another 6? No, let's go for 7. 770. There is only one 770, so I write it down. 770. Okay. 8. I have 860. Right? Yeah, 860. 860. 940, 940, 940. Okay, comma 940, comma. Sorry about that, guys, but I need the space. 940, comma 940. Okay, so how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the one that is going to be in the middle is going to be the 5th number. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the one that is right in the middle. So because there are 4 on the left, 4 on the right, and the one that is right in the middle is 7.70 or $7.70. Okay, so this is our median. So our definition for median is the number when we order amounts or numbers from highest to lowest or lowest to highest, the number that falls in the middle is our median. Okay, pause the video and write your definition. 770. Okay, 770. Submit. Okay, again we are being asked about our median. Okay, so we have these numbers. So what is our lowest number here? Be careful because we have negative numbers. Remember, negative 3 is lower than 0. Okay, is lower than even than negative 1. Okay, so we just write the number. So we always have to start with negatives, and we need to start with the highest. If we just see the number with a symbol, we need to start with the highest. Okay, so negative 3, comma, we have another negative 3, comma, so these have already been written. We have 3 negative 1s, negative 1, comma, negative 1, comma, negative 1. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, and 4 zeros. Okay, so our median is going to be the number in the middle. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, we have 9, so our fifth number is going to be our median. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is our median because we have 4 numbers on the right, 4 numbers on the left. Okay, so our median is negative 1. All right, so negative 1. All right, what is the mean? Okay, remember the mean is our average. All right, so here I am going to use the calculator. Okay, so it's 0 plus minus 8. Okay, instead of saying plus minus, I am going to just say minus. 0 minus 8 minus 6 minus 4 minus 9 minus 6 minus 9. This is positive, so it's plus 4 minus 3 plus 1. Okay, so we have 40, but in order to get the mean, we need to divide those 40 by the number of items or the number of numbers. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we divide minus or negative 40 by 10 equals negative 4. So this is our mean. Okay, we are halfway to our to the end because we have already solved 5 problems. If you think that you can do it yourself, you can just stop the video. Otherwise, follow me. Okay, the planners of if you want, you can read all of this, but I really need to concentrate or to focus on the numbers and also what they are asking you. Okay, so they are asking you again about the mean, okay, or the average. So I am going to get the average of all of these. Again, I'm going to use our calculator. It's 4 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5 equals 48 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 8 equals 6. Okay, so the mean of all of these numbers is 6. Okay, what is the range? Okay, for the range, we are going to we have to write them in the correct order. All right, so the first number we're going to write is negative 5, followed by negative 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 negative 4s. Negative 4, negative 4, negative 4, and negative 4, comma. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have negative 3, and then negative 2, and then negative 1, and then 0. Negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, and 0. Okay, we have already written all of the numbers. So now let's find the number that is in the middle to get. No, you know what? I made a mistake. No, we are not being asked about the median. We are being asked about the range. So the range, well, anyways, the range, we need our lowest number with the highest number. What is the difference between the lowest and the highest? Sorry about that, guys. We don't need to write all of it. We just need to find the lowest number, the highest number, and get the difference. All right, so the difference from negative 5 to 0, or from 0 to negative 5 is, that's right, it is 5. All right, so we just write it. And again, okay, we have this amount of goals, and we are being asked again about the range. So what is the highest? We have 8, another 8, 8. So the highest is 8. Let's see what is our lowest. 6, 2, 4. Okay, the lowest is 2. So the difference from 2 and 8 is 6. So the range of these goals is 6 goals. Okay, we have this time, okay, in minutes, 29 minutes, and so on. All right, what was the mode? I mean, the one that is repeated the most. Okay, so we have 29, 1, 2, 3, 4, and only 4. 29 is repeated 4 times. 34 only once. 30 2 times, and 28 only 1 time. So the one that is repeated the most is 29 minutes. It's 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. Okay, so the mode in these numbers is 29 minutes because it is the one that is most repeated. Okay, the median, remember what the median is? Yeah, you need to order them and get the one in the middle. All right, so let's do it really fast. So it's the lowest here is 3, comma, and then we have a 4, comma, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 6, and then we have an 8. Okay, you know, when you're asked about the median, you can count first how many numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you know that 7, the fourth number, is going to be in the middle. So when you're writing from lowest to highest, when you write 3, 4, 6, and then you write this other 6, you know that the fourth number is going to be your median. So you don't have to write the rest of them. These are not necessary to write. So we know that 6 is going to be the median. All right, so let's write 6. The mode is the number that is more repeated. So 25 is 1, 2, and 3. 29 is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 34 is only 1. So 29 is the one that is repeated the most with 4 times. 29. All right. So If you already bought an account, I know that some of you have already bought an account. That's good because you can do more than I ask you to. And if you don't understand something, you can just keep practicing. If you don't have an account, well, your daily limit has already been reached. So that's it. If you have any question, let me know, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.